Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to create Vivo account on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now just tap on sign into Vivo account. From here, just give this app these permissions. Now just tap on sign in with Google account. Now just select all these options. And from here, just tap on agree. Now from here, just select your Gmail account. Now just select yes. And from here, just enter the password of your Gmail. And once you enter the password of your Gmail, just tap on complete registration. Now, as you can see, this is how you can create a Vivo account on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.